There you go. Throw that way.
Jeez.
I told him he needs to talk. Believe me, I know.
I was going to text with her. Texting John and like,
Be a pitcher.
I know, look at that. He lifts his leg up and everything.
Yeah.
Whoop.
Oh yeah, he's the whole.
Oh, really?
Hey, he's got the leg for pitching.
Got the form and everything.
There you go.
Oh my gosh. He's going to be the center of attention here.
Major leaguer in training.
Say what you're